Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a 12-pack of microfiber cloths from a company called S&T Incorporated. These are 11.5 by 11.5 inches and they're ultra durable, super absorbent, fast drying, scratch free, and lint free. And they all come in assorted colors. Let's open up and take a look at them. So here they are out of the package. You can see all the beautiful colors here. Got the orange, blue, bright yellow, green, and this red color right here. And you can see what they look like. They're a little bigger than they say because they're supposed to be about less than 12 inches. This looks like it's 12 inches by about 14 inches. No problem. And they look like they've got really good triple stitching on them for strength. And they feel really soft and lint free. So for cleaning around your house, cleaning your pet's paws, this is excellent. Just dusting in general, because dust tends to stick to microfiber because of the static. These are real handy to have around your house, and these last a long time. They suggest you just machine wash them in cold water and air dry them, or dry them on fluff or light temperature, and these will last a long time. They're a great product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.